Hello everyone, my name is Subita and today I am going to demonstrate my AI chatbot project. This chatbot is developed using Python Flask for the backend, HTML, CSS and JavaScript for the frontend, SQLite for storing chat history and the Gemini API to generate intelligent responses. The main objective of this project is provide users with an interactive chatbot that can answer questions while maintaining conversation history in a simple and user-friendly interface. Now let me show you the working of the application. When I open the chatbot, the home page displays a clean interface with a sidebar containing the conversation history and a new chat button and a new chat button. By clicking new chat, a new conversation is created and stored in the database. Next, I type a question into the input box and click the send button. The message to send to the Flask backend, which forwards the request to the Gemini API. The API processes the prompt and returns an AI generated response, which is displayed instantly on the screen. Every conversation is automatically saved in the SQLite database. This allows users to revisit previous charts even after refreshing or restarting the application. The chatbot also provides a delete chat option, which removes the selected conversation from both the interface and the database. Now, let me briefly explain the project architecture. This frontend is built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, which provide the user interface and the handle user interactions. And the backend is developed using Python Flask, which manages routing, processes requests, communicates with the Gemini API, and perform database operations. SQLite is used to store conversation details and chart messages permanently. The workflow of the application is straightforward. First, the user enters a message. JavaScript sends the message to the Flask server. Flask receives the request and forwards it to the Gemini API. The API generates a response and sends it back to the Flask. Flask stores both the user messages and the chatbot's response in the SQLite database before returning the response to the frontend where it is displayed to the user. This project demonstrates the integration of web development technologies with artificial intelligence to build a functional chatbot application. It provides features such as AI powered responses, conversation history, data storage, creating new charts, and deleting existing conversation. Thank you for watching my project demonstration. I hope this walkthrough gives you a clear understanding of how the chatbot works and how it has been implemented.